Punjab Police Test Batch 2 start while on deportation abroad, a civil servant was considered for promotion in accordance with his seniority position, but actual promotion took place after he resumed duty on return to Pakistan. Full stop. This enabled such civil servants to regain their seniority, their juniors on actual promotion. Full stop. Experience has shown that despite promotion, these officers seldom return even on completion of their approved deportation period. Full stop. By the time they return, many officers have lost their utility and experience relevant to service needs. Full stop. Promoting such officers immediately return may not, therefore, be in public interest. Full stop. Paragraph. It has, therefore, been decided with the approval of the President that promotion of a civil servant on deportation to an international agency, foreign government or private organization abroad will only be considered after he resumes duty on return to Pakistan. Full stop. Such officers may be given timely intimation to return so that they can earn at least one annual confidential report before their cases come up for consideration in accordance with their seniority position. Full stop. If an officer returns, his case will be considered for promotion in the normal course. Full stop. If he does not return in response to such intimation, his case will be deferred till he returns to Pakistan on completion of 5 years and earns a confidential report of his work for 1 full year after resuming duty. Full stop. Paragraph. If approved for promotion, he will regain his original seniority. Full stop. Government may allow an officer to continue against his assignment abroad even after the expiry of 5 years on the request of the officer or his employer. Full stop. However, in all such cases, the officer's name will be removed from the existing seniority list and placed on a separate static list with no claim to promotion or to seniority over any junior who may be promoted during this period. Full stop. An officer's name would be brought back on the seniority list only after he resumes duty on return. Full stop. In such cases also, the officer must earn a confidential report for 1 full year before he is considered for promotion. Full stop.